What's that yummy smell, Lou?
Muffins?
They're not muffins. Stop calling them muffins. Come here.
Sorry.
What you're going to do is you're going to go catch up in the circle, bloop, bloop, bloop. Catch up in the circle, bloop, bloop, bloop. Can you do that?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you do that.
Who's that?
Every one of them.
Shower head.
I don't know, maybe.
Look at me, I'm like Spidey.
Okay. Next one. Here, let me help you. You do this part. You put a blob of cheese in the middle of all of them. Okay. And you do a blob of cheese.
That much?
Yep, just teeny blobs. Come on. Come on, Spidey, little chunks of cheese. Come on.
Got it.
Six more.
Yes.
There are no Jedi allowed in meatloaf making.
Else the slice.
Mm.
One.
Come on.
1, 2.
Hurry, hurry. You gotta put them back in.
3.
Oh, that's too big. Three more.
5.
2 more. Oh, 3 more. I missed one. Come on.
Sorry, down there.
Come on. Last one. Whoa. Oops. Wasn't paying attention.
I'm on 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was a big chunk.
You take
Okay.
the big one.
Yeah. Put them back in. 4 more minutes. Use the hot pads. That's for stroganoff.
Yum.
Roxy.
Please don't hit Roxy with that. Okay, hurry. You're letting all the heat out.
I'm trying.
Probably shouldn't open the oven until you're ready to go.
Skinny check.
Watch what you're doing.
You think you have a baby there.
Okay, close it.
Whoa.
4 more.